Hey everyone, welcome to Demystifying Maths at Virtues Institute with Dr. O. Today, we will explore in part 4, expanding Surds expression with brackets. Surds are numbers that contain square roots and cannot be written exactly as simple fractions or terminating decimals. Expanding surd expressions is multiplying each term inside the bracket by the term outside the bracket. Simply put, expand or multiply out the brackets. For surd expressions with double brackets, we walk through one bracket at a time. Sometimes, students get confused with expanding surd expressions, especially with double brackets. But don't worry, by the end of this lesson, you'll become comfortable with expanding and simplifying surd expressions with double brackets. If this is your first visit, remember to subscribe to Virtues Institute channel for more math tips, clear explanations, and upcoming topic. To expand and simplify the quantity 5 plus 3 root 3 multiplied by the quantity 1 plus 2 root 3, multiply every term in the first bracket by every term in the second bracket. Start by multiplying 5 by both terms in the second bracket. 5 multiplied by 1 becomes 5, and 5 multiplied by 2 square root 3 becomes plus 10 root 3. Next, multiply 3 square root 3 by both terms in the second bracket. 3 square root 3 multiplied by 1 becomes plus 3 square root 3, and 3 square root 3 multiplied by positive 2 square root 3 becomes 6 multiplied by square root of 3 all squared, which simplifies to 18. Now, collect the like terms. Then, combine the whole numbers. 5 plus 18 becomes 23. Likewise, combine the surd terms together. 10 root 3 plus 3 root 3 becomes 13 root 3. Thus, the final answer becomes 23 plus 13 square root 3. Remember, multiply each term in the first bracket by every term in the second bracket. Simplify any surds where possible, then combine all the whole numbers and combine the like surd terms. Let's look at another example. Expand and simplify the quantity 3 square root 5 minus 2 multiplied by the quantity 2 plus 3 square root 5. To expand means multiply every term in the first bracket by every term in the second bracket. Start by multiplying 3 square root 5 by both terms in the second bracket. 3 square root 5 multiplied by 2 becomes 6 square root 5, and 3 square root 5 multiplied by 3 square root 5 becomes 9 square root 5 squared which simplifies to 45. Next, multiply -2 by both terms in the second bracket. -2 multiplied by 2 becomes -4. And -2 multiplied by 3 square root 5 becomes -6 square root 5. Now collect like terms. Then combine the whole numbers. 45 minus 4 becomes 41. Likewise, combine the surd terms. Plus 6 square root 5 minus 6 square root 5 cancels out and becomes 0. Thus, the final answer becomes 41. Remember, multiply each term in the first bracket by every term in the second bracket. Simplify any surds where possible. Combine all the whole numbers and then combine like surd terms. Now, it's your turn. Using the skills you've just learned on expanding and simplifying surd terms, have a goal at the practice questions on the screen. Leave your answers in the comments, and if there is any part of expanding and simplifying surd expressions that you are still finding tricky, drop your questions there too. Virtues Institute will use your response to offer bespoke and tailored support, as well as shape future lessons around what you need most. Don't forget to subscribe for more math tips, clear explanations, and upcoming topics. Virtues Institute is really looking forward to hearing from you.